What's up, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Let's see. Boom. Yo. Let's get live on TikTok for everybody. Give everybody a couple minutes to join up in here. Let's see. Go live. Education. Boom. Day trading live. Cool. Going to be uploaded to your cover. How do I do this? Oh. Downloads. Hold on one second. Remarket. How we doing, squad? Good morning. How'd you guys trade yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know in the chat. I actually took more trades than I planned, but saw a lot of opportunity yesterday. So ended up taking 3 trades. We'll go over all 3 of them because we talked about the levels in the morning. Talked about all them levels. What's up, Brad? Thanks for becoming a YouTube channel member. Greatly appreciate it. Made a bit of money. Red, okay. What's up, Jay? All right, so if you were red, tell me what happened. Did you try shorting in the morning? Anybody try shorting, specifically NASDAQ or QQQ, between anywhere until 10 o'clock? Actually, no. 10:30? Anybody try shorting the NASDAQ or QQQ in this area? Let's see. Tell me what happened. Talk to me. Because I actually took 2 trades in this area. So one in the pre-market. Like as soon as we hopped off of here, I caught a nice long on NASDAQ and then caught another one a little later. So let's talk about these levels and then caught this bounce down here as well. Gave that to everybody yesterday in the live stream. Good, you respected the demand zone. Good, good. Remember, when we're in demand, we don't want to try to short. When we're in supply, we don't want to try to long. So if you guys remember yesterday's live stream, I said we're coming into a huge area of demand, right? We have this 4-hour demand zone right here. Whoops, took the top of that candle. There we go. 4-hour demand zone right there. And inside of that 4-hour, we had 1-hour demand, which started right there. So 2 of the trades that I took yesterday were based off of that 1-hour demand. So a little bit right after we hopped off the live stream yesterday, NQ not only tapped the demand, so at 9:10 it tapped the demand to a T. Typically with demand, I like to see a reaction right at the beginning, but we came down into it, we tapped it, but then from there we got a volume spike, which showed that orders were being filled. Plus you can look at that lower wick right there and conclude that buy orders were being filled. Now if we break it down to a 2-minute time frame, you can also see on the 2-minute, look at that volume spike. That's showing us that orders were filled. So I took it long at the end of this candle right here. So at the open of this one right here, stop loss right below this low, and was able to catch a nice pop to the upside. So that was trade number 1. And then trade number 2 yesterday was after the market opened, we came back down into the 1-hour demand, right? We pushed down, they pushed it back up. We pushed down, they pushed it back up. Price pushed up, and I actually caught it on a retracement for a potential higher low. So I just took the fib from that low to that high. Price was holding that 50% retracement, so I got long with a stop right below 61.8 and caught that into the high of day for another nice scalp. So that was trade number 2. And then trade number 3 yesterday, again, we talked about this level, was this 50% retracement. I gotta roll my contracts back. Hold on. There it is. So pivot low, pivot high, and I told everybody in the Discord, watch this level for a potential bounce. So price comes down to it, it breaks below that demand zone, therefore demand's no longer valid. GD caught a nice little fair value gap trade to the downside here. But as price came down to the 50, it held it. There was a really good risk to reward, so I got long again and caught a nice pop to the upside. So those were all my trades yesterday, all of them on NASDAQ and Q. So pretty nice day yesterday, if I say so myself. And I also got my book map back, finally. So, all right. That pretty much recaps yesterday. So, how'd everybody else do? I only saw a few people tell me how they did yesterday. We got almost 100 people in here. How'd you guys do? Yes, I love futures. Literally love it. Just gotta get better at holding the contracts because, I mean, NQ moves very quick. I gotta not look at the P&L on Trade of 8. But, yeah, very, very quick. So, let's put on the squeeze real quick and let's see what we got. Boom. Had a feeling we had a 1 hour squeeze. I mean, 16,400 looks like a really good bounce. Also, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. 100 people in here, only 25 likes. Make sure you guys run it up if you want this watch list. And then today is Thursday, ADP in 5 minutes. So we're going to wait for the ADP. I definitely expect that to move the market. Jobless claims 8:30 and then PMI 9:45. Cool. So we're going to wait 5 minutes. I'm also one Starbucks cold brew in this morning, so I don't know why, but coffee, especially cold brews, get me a little wired. And there you go, 3-hour trade. Let's go. It's amazing. Yeah, show some love. Drop a thumb. Yeah, we'll go over Amazon here in a little bit. I want to wait for the ADP. And I don't know why this is so small for you guys on TikTok. Hold on. Or so zoomed in. There we go. That's better for you guys. Sorry about that. Cool. 5 minutes. In the meantime, I guess, any questions you guys got? And then once we get that ADP at 8:15, we is good. Yeah, main balance going to be all the way down there if we can get there. It's only like 100 points away. Boom. No, I haven't tried the Nitro Cold Brew. Have not tried that. Just the cold brew. Hey, it's okay. Break even as long as you are only risking your profits. But good morning. Again, if you're just hopping in, we're just waiting for the ADP numbers to come out. I expect it to move the market, so I just want to see how price reacts off of it. And then from there, we'll start finding levels. What you guys got? Any questions? Hey, good morning, everybody on TikTok. Real quick, for the ones that are watching on TikTok, if you did not know, I do go live on my YouTube channel every morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Over 850 plus free videos. Plus, I started a new series, Futures Bootcamp, where I'm teaching you everything you need to know about futures from A to Z. So if you're looking to get into futures, any questions about futures, or if you've even been trading futures for a little bit, highly suggest taking advantage of this bootcamp series, especially because it's only going to be up for a limited time. But YouTube channel, Brandon Trades, make sure to go subscribe. or you don't like education. Let's see, 3 more minutes. Everybody's got questions. 8 EMA and 21 EMA is what I have on the screen. I actually gotta clean this up. We're just gonna put the 21 for now. I like to keep it super clean when doing my analysis. Boom, we'll just keep that low there. But yeah, NASDAQ, this level right here. And then after that, I mean, daily demand down there. That's about it as far as levels go. I have a very small 4-hour there. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, we're just so overextended. We had 9 weeks in a row of green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus that weekly candle last week. I mean, inverse hammer. And then so far this week, we have a weekly bearish engulfing. So we'll see. But I don't know. Weekly looks a little weak, in my opinion. Still have 2 days, of course, to change that weekly candle. Options, I use ThinkorSwim, futures, trade of 8. Uno más. One more minute. Then we'll see how we react to ADP. Again, good morning, everybody on the TikTok live stream. And everybody on the YouTube live stream, of course. Get Twitter pulled up. Let's see what these numbers are. There it is. All right, we got the numbers. See how the market reacts. 164,000, forecast 125,000, previous 103,000. So, way over expectation, way over last. Question is, how's the market react? Let's give it a couple minutes to digest this news. And then we'll start finding our levels. Switched to futures last year. How you been liking it? Never going back to options. Yeah, it's weird trading it during the New York session, because when I traded futures before, one, it was very rare, and it was only if I saw something in the pre-market, so things weren't moving as quick. But during market, those things move super quick. I mean, if you use trading view, once you get into the position, it'll tell you exactly how much you're gonna lose. Once you put the stop loss in, I can show you real quick. I don't use trading view personally for trading futures, but I'll show you what I mean. Like if we just in a replay mode, we're just gonna buy long on this candle. But say you were looking at this for some reason, you wanted to get long here and you bought 5 contracts, you would buy, and then from there you could put your stop loss right below the low of this candle. So it'd say, oh, well, you're willing to lose 625. But then from there, you know, profit. So that's going to be the easiest way to calculate it just very quickly. If you have a broker that syncs up with what is this called? Trading View. So cool. All right, well, NASDAQ, we're looking for 16,401. After that, daily demand way down here. Don't expect that to come into play today. More than likely, not even this week. But we'll mark it for the time being because that's the next bounce. Cool. Boom. And again, if you guys want this watch list in the chat, make sure to smash that like button. Take 2 seconds to do so. 2 seconds. But yeah, personally not seeing anything else over here as far as levels. Now, as far as rejects, not really any good supply. I mean, we got supply way up here. So if we got up there, I'd be interested. But that's quite a ways away. Whoops. Wrong one. 1 hour. I mean, I'd say our best bet is probably that 1 hour 21 EMA because we have the squeeze. But yeah, no other super interesting levels. Then we got 30-minute supply inside of 1 hour. So 30-minute. Cool. I mean, our best bet 16,401 for a bounce today. That's personally what I would watch. And then if we got up there, look for that reject. But that's about it on NQ. Take a look at QQQ, then ES and SPY. We actually hit that 50% retracement yesterday on QQQ, right at the end of the day. I ain't even see that. But, I mean, 394, what is that? 394.30 would be the next level that I'd personally watch. And then reject 1 hour 21 EMA. That's our best bet. Or, again, we start going back up into that supply zone. But that's about it. So watch the 61.8 on NQ and then 394.30 on QQQ. Cool. Head on over to ES. And I don't really like, I'm not a huge fan of this fib right here, but it's about the only pivot low, pivot high that we have. So if we lose that, actually, I like the demand more. Never mind. I like this demand level on ES. So that's probably the only balance I'm going to look for, to be honest with you. There we go. So about like 40 points away. But if we got down there, you saw the reaction on the NQ one. Would love to see ES down at that demand. Cool. Again, if you guys got questions, feel free to ask in the chat. As far as a reject, however, really no good supply until we get up there. Nothing on the 4 hour. Nothing on the 30. Yeah, I mean, I would just say if we break below yesterday's low, then we can start looking for downside until we get to the bounces. But just really not seeing any good rejects right now. We're already pretty much at the level I would have watched if we didn't tap it in the pre-market. Would have been interested, but because we're already hitting it so much, not too interested in that now. So I'd say just look for that break. Yesterday's low. Look for a downtrend entry. Cool. All right. SPY, QQQ. Or the futures, really up to you. There's ES, SPY. It's going to be the same thing. We got our demand way down there. As far as rejects, really not too interested in any. So, break below. I guess that was the aftermarket. Yeah. Cool. That's pretty much it on ES and SPY. Take a quick look. 4,700 SPX. We lose that. We got room down. Cool. All right. Let's take a look at some individuals. What do we got today? Apple. Tried to hold the 50. Got smacked. Next level is going to be way down here. $178.64. Let's see, 182.04. Yep, so we did break that. Nothing on Apple. AMD hit that 50% retracement. Honestly, if we can hold it in the pre-market and not move away from it, I would be interested in that. So, as long as we hold. He bounced yesterday. I saw a few people in chat caught it. So, let's see, AMD. Cool. Amazon. Don't care about. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. 200 people in here, 98 likes. Make sure you run it up if you want this watch list. But Amazon really not too interested in this at all. So ignore that. Boeing. Let's see. I mean, this thing's got to pull back. Nothing on Boeing. Absolutely nothing. That's ridiculous. Coin. A real estate agent I know said he bought like $20,000 worth of Boeing. I think it was. I remember the day. I looked it up. I think it was this day right here. Hopefully he sold it on that pop up. But if not, best of luck to him. I don't use 15-minute supply. It's too small of an area. Or too low of a time frame for me. Costco don't care about. CRM don't care about. GLD don't care about. Google. The only strong stock in the market. Can't talk today. But holding that relative strength, I mean, if it got above yesterday's high, I'd be interested. Would have preferred if we hit that 50. But Google doesn't look too bad. Google. Look at that. IWM. Don't really care about. Meta. Got a nice little bear flag right here. I don't really trade these, but could offer a nice setup. So let's watch Meta for a break of like 344. Look for some poots. Somebody asked about that Amazon setup. Still waiting on this. Not really giving what I would like to see for a potential swing. Looked good over here, but they pulled it back, what, 2 days ago? So could just sit here and squeeze even longer. I mean, look at that orange dot. So either way, I mean, it's something that we can watch. There's just no clear signal of which way it's going to fire yet. So just wait on that. Netflix don't care about. NVIDIA. Nope. Yeah, nothing on NVDA. Nope. PayPal. What's up, everybody on TikTok? Everybody on YouTube as well. Everybody tapping in. PayPal, that's not the actual fib. Roku, don't care about. Shopify, don't care about. Tesla broke the 61.8. So, next level. 78.6. Super close to it yesterday. Like 20 cents off. Cool. Well, as far as individuals, AMD, Google, Meta. I do really like that Meta if the market gets weak today, though. See if we have 8:30 news. I think I said we do. Initial jobless claims in 1 minute. So see how the market reacts to that. Narrow the list even more. Finalize some levels and call it a day. We shall see. This microphone is going to annoy me. Keeps getting in the way. Eli Lilly went crazy. Tell you what, 150 likes, you guys get this watch list. You need 32 more. I believe in you guys. Got 160 people in here. 32 more. We looked at Amazon, not too interested. Not super interested in it. And 8:30. See what the market does. You gonna pump, dump, or chop? See what the numbers were. 220,000, forecast 216,000, previous 218,000. So, or 202,000, my bad. I think I said 220. So initial claims below forecast, below previous. Continuing claims 1.85 mil, forecast 1.88 mil, previous 1.87 mil. So below forecast, below previous. So ADP came in higher, jobless claims lower. Cool. In the market, like 1 more minute to digest this information. And then we'll finalize some levels. Do have a pretty big buy zone on ES here. So, see if we crack it. Again, feel free to ask some questions. Honestly, I haven't looked at the put to call ratio in a minute. Let's see, good old P call. Uh, 0.9. So I mean, if it got up to 1. Oh yeah. Yes, that daily 21 EMA. Did we hit it? Yeah, that's what we hit yesterday. So that's where I was looking for price to pull back to. Just because we haven't tested it in so long. So we're sitting on it right now. We'll have to see what happens though. If we lose yesterday's low, it can go a lot lower. Let's see if SPY hit it. SPY got very close. Actually, it might be sitting on it. 467.87. I was wondering why I had that marked. Got very close. I mean, it's an area you can watch. ES just already hit it. So, depending on if we hold it, could be a good level. You're going to have to roll your contracts. I day trade and swing trade. Options and futures. Yeah, ES, we're sitting on it right now. Cool. Let's finalize these levels and be on our way. Buy QQQ. Losing the 50. Thank you. Yeah, we already hit that reject. Q. All right, and then let's see, I liked AMD. 133.72 is the level. Really depends on what happens in the pre-market, but I like that we're holding that level. That was yesterday's low, right at that 50% fib. We've had that drawn for a while. So we're gonna wait for that. Google. I mean, it's strong. If the market's strong, I would watch Google. And then I prefer this meta not to break in the pre-market. That'd be nice. But could be a nice little breakdown and we can look for shorts, maybe a downtrend entry. So let's look at the 4 hour real quick. All right, meta. The market is weak. There's meta, and then I mean this AMD really, we have a whole hour till the market opens, so and 6-2. Cool. So there's a watch list for today. You guys need 11 more likes in the YouTube live stream to get it. In the meantime, give this to everybody in Team Bull. All right, if you're in Team Bull, you are about to get this. I'm gonna give you guys a screenshot so you have them. Boom. And then AMD. Cool. Looks like it's going to try to break it, but we can watch down there. All right, Team Bull members, you got everything. You got the pictures. You got the watch list. And then channel members, YouTube channel members. Let's give you guys the watch list as well, because you guys are so special. And then as far as the live stream, you guys hit 150. There you go. Look at that. That wasn't so hard. And real quick, before I give you guys a watch list, if you guys do want to join Team Bull, trade live with me, a bunch of other amazing traders, trade recaps, tons of education. If my beacons is ever going to load, for some reason it's not. Don't worry, I'll wait. You don't gotta do anything, beacons. Just take your time. Take your time. Anyways, while this is loading, if you guys want to hop up in Team Bull, take 2 seconds. Make sure to fill out the wait list. You will get an email when spots do open up. So here's the link right here to join the wait list. Boom. And again, it takes 2 seconds. Just copy and paste it into your browser. Fill out your email, your name, and that's it. That's all you need. So look forward to crushing 2024 with all of you. Now, good morning, Brian. TikTok, you guys want to join Team Bull? There's the link right there. Can't miss it. Sent it like 10 times. But all right, let's give you guys this watch list. As always, hold on, who at me in the chat? That's a big old zone you got on ES. Oh, it's a big old demand. But yeah, as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Option trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. So there's SPY, QQQ, Meta, and AMD. Boom. That's everything I'm watching today. All of these levels could get invalidated. We could just go straight up today, for all I know. But as always, we want to wait for A+ opportunity. If opportunity isn't there, then guess what? We sit cash. You don't have to trade every single day. Don't be that person that's forcing trades just to get your fix. Right? Wait for A+ opportunity. If it's not there, sit cash. Come back tomorrow. Discipline over dopamine, as Jadon would say. Cool. Well, any questions you guys got for me? Or is everybody good for the day? Guys, let me know. As long as you guys are good, I'm good. Nice. I got push day today. Chest, shoulders, tries. Yesterday was legs. They're a little sore. But cool. I guess everybody's good. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed to the YouTube, live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. 850 plus free videos on my channel, plus a new bootcamp series specifically for futures. So if you're not subscribed, you're definitely missing out. Have those bell notifications on so you are notified when these videos go up, as they'll only be up for a limited time only. And you'll get notified every single time that I go live here on YouTube. I do plan on starting to do trade recaps, just a random time throughout the day. So again, if you want to get notified when I go live to do those, got to have that bell icon on. So just head on over to the channel, take 2 seconds, and turn it on. But $46.96. I mean, a bit low. That's just where the level is. There's no levels in between. So, best thing we can do is look for a downtrend entry until we hit the level and then look for a bounce. It's the best thing we can do. Cool. I do jujitsu 3 to 4 times a week. That's my cardio. If I did any more cardio at the gym, I'd probably die. Jiu-jitsu is pretty intense. Oh, 4969. Do you have a level all the way up there? Where'd you get that from? Cool. All right, well, everybody have a blessed day. And I will talk to everybody tomorrow. If you're in Team Bull, talk to you in like 10 minutes. Peace.